What's the meaning of CODESA? CODESA. CODESA.
CODESA. CODESA. CODESA stands for the Convention for a Democratic South Africa, which was held in South Africa from December 1991 to May 1993. The main objective of CODESA was to negotiate a new democratic constitution that would end apartheid and guarantee equal rights for all South Africans. After many rounds of negotiations, CODESA resulted in the adoption of the interim constitution in November 1993, and paved the way for the first democratic elections in April 1994. These elections saw Nelson Mandela elected as the first black president of South Africa, marking the end of apartheid and the beginning of a new, democratic era for the country.